Hi everyone, Alex from AKSON Painting here. Today I have a very special and a very interesting project to do, so if you want to see the final results, stay with me. So here we are. I got the request if I could do anything with this icon to preserve it from any further peelings. As you see, the top of it, because of the weather, because of the age, because this thing I'm holding right here right now is more than 100 years old. So because of all the elements and the natural wear, the paint started peeling from the icon as you see it pretty badly. Some pieces are missing already, so unfortunately I won't be able to make it brand new again. What we can do and what I will try to do is that I will try to seal it to preserve it from any future peelings. And as well as it has a writing, I'm not sure right here, yeah, completely weathered. The writing right here, which we're gonna try to restore and make visible as well. So that's the project. Stay tuned for final results. All right, here we go with the final product. Could it be done better? Yes, of course. But I think it looks pretty good. And now the main thing is that the icon is protected against pretty much everything. You can see how thick I decided to go on the pour on the face side. On the back, as you can see, the writing of the priest who donated this icon to the parish, so I had to follow his hand to restore all these letters, and also to pour an epoxy on the back and on the sides of it, so it also is protected against the moisture, against the weather, against everything. The church is heated, so it'll stay more or less at the constant temperature throughout the year, so less damage, less further damage for the icon. So excited about my final result and restoring this icon, preserving, I should say. And thank you for watching.